Have you ever just stopped and wondered how the device you're watching this on was actually made? I mean, it started as just an idea, right? A digital file, maybe a drawing. But how in the world did it make that incredible leap from a concept on a screen to a solid object you can actually hold in your hands? Okay, let's dive into that.
This question, right here, it gets to the very heart of how pretty much everything around us is created. See, there's this massive gap between the world of pure design and the world of physical manufacturing. And in this explainer, we're going to uncover the hidden process that connects them.
And believe me, it really is like two totally different worlds. On one side, you've got the world of design. It's all about ideas, sketches, and these really sophisticated digital blueprints, CAD models. Then, on the other side, you have the world of manufacturing, a loud, physical reality of factories, raw materials, and assembly lines. For a long time, there was just this giant chasm sitting right between them.
So, how do we bridge that gap? How does a digital blueprint get translated into instructions a factory can actually understand and use? Well, the answer is a critical and often totally invisible step in the chain of creation.
That link is called process planning, and its whole purpose is incredibly important. It is the act of translating what the designer wants into a detailed, step-by-step recipe for how to actually build it. It's basically the instruction manual for creation.
And this is the perfect way to think about it. Process planning is that essential bridge connecting the world of design to the world of manufacturing. This isn't just paperwork. It's the fundamental connection that turns a brilliant idea into something real. Without this bridge, the best designs in the world would just stay ideas. Period.
So who are the people that build this bridge? Who are these architects of production? Well, let's meet them.
It all starts with this person, the manufacturing engineer, or as they're also known, the process planner. This is the expert who takes the design from the engineers and starts the incredible task of figuring out exactly how to make it a reality. And their skill set is incredibly specific and valuable. They have to be able to read complex engineering drawings like it's their first language. They've got to have this deep, intimate knowledge of their own factory's processes. Like, what can this specific machine do? What are its absolute limits? It's this blend of technical knowledge and hands-on experience that lets them map out the most logical, the most efficient path from a chunk of raw material to a finished part. Ultimately, the buck stops with them. They have the overall responsibility for the entire manufacturing plant.
So what does creating this blueprint for building actually involve? What are the key decisions a planner has to make day in and day out? Let's break it down.
The whole thing basically breaks down into 4 key stages. First up, they interpret the design, analyzing everything from materials to the tiniest dimensions. Step 2 is choosing the right processes, and, this is critical, the right sequence. Think about it. Do you drill a hole before you bend the metal or after? The wrong choice could totally ruin the part. Step 3 is selecting the exact equipment, the right machines, tools, and custom parts like dies for stamping metal. And finally, Step 4 is setting the standards for any manual work, which makes sure everything is consistent and efficient. But here's a crucial dose of reality. Planners have to work within the limits of the equipment that is physically right there in their factory. This creates a constant challenge. If the factory can't make a part the way it was designed, the planner has to make a tough call. Should they send it out to be made somewhere else, or does the company need to invest in brand new machinery?
So here's the main takeaway. Process planning is the unsung hero of the modern world. It is the invisible engine humming just beneath the surface of mass production and all of modern innovation. So yeah, every innovative product you use, it exists thanks to this hidden, crucial step.
So the next time you pick up your phone or get in your car or use literally any manufactured object, I want you to take a closer look. Will you see beyond the surface? Will you be able to see the careful thought, the complex decisions, and that invisible bridge that brought that product into existence?